Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So Vybz Kartel has issued a warning, and a very crazy warning at that. So Vybz Kartel is warning folks not to do business with his baby mother on his behalf. Following their split, Vybz Kartel removed his baby mother Tanisha Johnson from conducting business on his behalf. Johnson recently formed her own label, Short Bars Music, and was releasing music for Kartel and their two sons, PG-13. Over the weekend, the incarcerated DJ issued a public announcement about Johnson's Facebook page, warning producers and anyone else who is seeking to do business with him not to do it on that page. How many times I have to say this? Stop sending money to this page, wrote Kartel. It's a fake page. Only TJ Records deal with Gaza business. So if the money not coming to TJ, don't DM this DJ. And even in his caption, the man the rhyme and have lyrics, and he put up a screenshot of the Facebook profile on his Instagram, and it says, Linton TJ White, who runs TJ Records, have been working with Vybz Kartel for many years, and the two have formed a close relationship and now a business partnership. TJ is also the executive producer of Vybz Kartel's upcoming album, Exile Farah. The project is due sometime soon, and the DJ has already released a couple of singles. Kartel and Johnson shared 3 sons, with 2 of them dabbling in music under the stage name Little Addy and Little Vybz. The couple's eldest son recently came under the spotlight for bleaching his skin, but Vybz Kartel gave his stamp of approval and dismissed his critics. So, do you think that this is actually Shorty real page, and do you think that their relationship has gone so bad that they are not conducting business anymore? Or do you think that this is just a fake page and people are collecting money on the behalf of Shorty and Vybz Kartel, and both of them know it's a fake page and he's just putting out there to save himself and his business? So what are your thoughts on this story? Do you feel like Vybz Kartel and Shorty actually really split up, both in a relationship and both in a business partnership? And if you need anything, dub or any of that, him say contact TJ, because that's the only way you're going to get your money's worth from him. So what are your thoughts on that? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.